Imagine walking into a gym and seeing a man training. His arms are veined, his abs are tight, his posture is perfect, and his face looks like he's maybe in his mid-40s. You'd probably think he's a lifelong athlete who's reached the peak of middle age. But then you find out the shocking truth: he's 83 years old. That man is Frank Zane, a bodybuilding legend. A man who once stood on stage with Arnold Schwarzenegger, outshining giants with a body so perfectly sculpted that it became the definition of aesthetic. And the reason he still looks decades younger today? It's not surgery, it's not magic, it's not genetics alone. It's because of the foods he quit forever. You will be shocked when we reveal the exact foods he cut out of his life that keep him ripped and ageless, even as he pushes past 80. Stay with us until the end, because this isn't just about Zane. This is about you and the choices you make every single day. Who is Frank Zane, the chemist of bodybuilding? Frank Zane isn't just another name in bodybuilding. He is the standard of aesthetics. In an era dominated by mass monsters, Zane looked different. He didn't want to be the biggest. He wanted to be the most perfect. That's why they called him the chemist. He didn't chase size recklessly. He studied the body like a scientist. Every rep, every calorie, every movement was calculated. His symmetry, proportion, and balance were unmatched. He went on to win the Mr. Olympia 3 times. Standing against giants like Arnold and Franco Columbu, Zane wasn't the biggest, but he was the most flawless. Even Arnold himself admitted that Frank Zane was one of his toughest rivals because judges couldn't ignore that level of proportion and artistry. But while many legends faded after their careers ended, bulked out bodies collapsing under age, health declining, Zane continued. Decade after decade, he kept his body sharp. And today at 83, he shocks the world because he still looks decades younger. The shocking contrast. Think about the average man at 80. Most can barely jog. Many struggle with simple movements like climbing stairs or getting out of a chair. Their waistlines expand, their posture curves forward, their skin sags. That's what society accepts as normal aging. But then you look at Frank Zane. His skin is tighter, his muscles are still visible, his waistline hasn't ballooned. He moves with control and precision. The contrast is unbelievable. While many of his contemporaries are gone or live with failing health, Zane is a living example of what discipline can achieve. And it all starts with what he refused to eat. The first enemy, sugar. The very first enemy Zane cut out was sugar. Sugar is everywhere. Soft drinks, cookies, cakes, even in so-called healthy breakfast cereals. Most people don't even realize how much they're consuming, but Zane saw through it. He knew sugar does more than just add fat. It breaks down collagen, the protein that keeps skin tight. It accelerates wrinkles. It weakens muscles and joints. It makes the face sag, the body soft, and the energy crash. So he eliminated it. No candy, no soda, no sweet processed foods. His fuel came from natural sources, not empty calories. That's why today at 83, he doesn't have the typical sagging, tired skin of old age. His skin looks decades younger, and his body still looks athletic. Cutting sugar was a decision that paid off every single year of his life. The silent killer, processed foods. The second food group he quit, processed junk. Modern diets are full of it. Chips, frozen dinners, fried fast food, snack cakes, energy bars that are more sugar than nutrition. These foods are loaded with chemicals, artificial oils, and preservatives. Zane knew that processed food inflames the body from the inside out. Inflammation kills muscle recovery, stiffens joints, and adds fat that ruins definition. That's why most men his age can't bend or stretch without pain. But Zane never fed his body that garbage. And the result? Even at 83, he stretches, trains, and moves like someone decades younger. His joints are healthier than men half his age, and he still radiates the vitality of an athlete. The carb trap. The third decision Zane made was controlling carbohydrates. Back then, bodybuilders often ate massive bowls of pasta, rice, and bread. They thought carbs were the fuel they needed to bulk up, but Zane was smarter. He understood that too many carbs spike insulin, which leads to fat storage. He didn't eliminate them, but he controlled them. He measured what he ate, balancing carbs with protein and healthy fats. This kept his waistline razor sharp, his abs visible, and his body fat percentage low, even into his 60s, 70s, and beyond. And today, at 83, that tight midsection is still there, while most men his age can't even see their feet over their stomach. Alcohol, the poison he refused. And then there's alcohol. Most men drink, some casually, some heavily. But alcohol is nothing but empty calorie. It disrupts hormones, damages the liver, destroys recovery, and ages the body faster than almost anything else. Zane saw it for what it truly is, poison. He avoided it almost completely. No regular drinking, no weekend binges. He treated his body like a temple, and alcohol had no place in it. And today, it shows. His mind is sharp, his body is lean, and his skin still has elasticity that most men lose in their 50s. Cutting alcohol was one of the best decisions he ever made. So let me ask you this. If you knew that cutting out just 4 things, sugar, processed food, excess carbs, and alcohol, could make you look 30 years younger, would you do it? Or would you keep eating them knowing the damage they cause? Frank Zane made his choice. That's why at 83 he's still ripped. What choice would you make? Training, precision over power, diet was only one half of Zane's formula. The other half was how he trained. Unlike many bodybuilders who wanted to lift the heaviest weights, Zane was obsessed with form. Every rep was perfect. He didn't just throw weights around, he carved his muscles with intention. This saved his joints from the damage that crippled many of his peers. Today, he still trains regularly, not with monster weights, but with precision and control. That's why he can move so well at his age. Flexibility and recovery. Flexibility was another secret weapon. Zane stretched. He practiced yoga. He treated mobility as seriously as lifting weights. While others ignored it, Zane made it part of his lifestyle. That's why he doesn't shuffle around like most men in their 80s. He moves smoothly with balance and posture. And recovery? Zane prioritized it long before science caught up. He slept deeply, managed stress, and practiced meditation. Stress destroys the body as much as bad food does, and Zane found ways to stay calm and centered. That's another reason he still looks so young. The inside of his body is just as healthy as the outside. The nutrition blueprint. So what did he actually eat? Frank Zane's diet was simple but powerful. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, and eggs. Fresh vegetables with every meal. Fruits in moderation. Nuts and seeds for healthy fats. No gimmicks, no fad diets, just clean whole foods eaten consistently. His meals were designed not just to fuel his muscles, but to fuel his life. This is why his physique wasn't just a temporary stage look. It became a lifestyle physique, and it still shows at 83. The Ageless Lesson of Frank Zane. Here's the truth. Aging is not just about years, it's about choices. Most people accept aging as decline. They give in to bad food, bad habits, and stress, and then wonder why their bodies collapse. Zane refused. He didn't just train for the stage, he trained for life. He quit the foods that destroy people slowly. He embraced the habits that build strength and preserve youth. And today, at 83, he's living proof that you don't have to grow old the way everyone else does. Then versus now. Picture this. Frank Zane in the late 1970s, standing on stage at Mr. Olympia. The lights shine down on him, the crowd roars, and his body looks like it's been carved from stone. Every muscle, every line, every proportion perfect. Now picture him today. He's 83, he's not competing, but when he steps into a gym, people stop, they stare, they whisper, because even without the stage, his body still commands awe. That's not luck, that's not genetics, that's discipline, day after day, year after year, for decades. So here's the final question. What's stopping you? Frank Zane proved that age doesn't have to mean weakness. He proved that you can live strong, lean, and youthful if you're willing to give up the things that poison. At 83, he looks like he's in his 40s. That's not a miracle, it's a choice. So ask yourself, which food would you quit forever if it meant staying young, lean, and full of life? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you thought Frank Zane's transformation was unbelievable, wait until you hear the shocking story of another bodybuilding legend whose habits will leave you speechless. Click here to watch that next.